I deserve all that. Respected Professor Arora, he is the person who has been actually instrumental in designing the program, so we thought that it will be great for us that in case he can be present here today for the first convocation ceremony of the Institute.
Yes.
Mr. Srinivasan.
Welcome.
Of course, my parents, who might feel that without them I would not have been there. So many talented people sitting in one room and being out of an engineering college, worked for certain years with the corporate, and then took a plunge again to start a company from the garage of our house in Faridabad. And as you must be knowing that IMCM is the first institute in India to provide this program, the Integrated Marketing Communication Program. In US today, IMC is one of the most sought after program in terms of marketing communication programs, and the institute, which is considered to be the mother of integrated marketing communication, that is Medill School of Journalism, Kellogg University, US. I had a privilege of meeting the person who started it, Dr. Gauan and Dr. Schultz, who are considered to be father of integrated marketing communication. Recently, I went through a training personally to understand it a little better from those people who have really designed the program of IMC. And I was told that the biggest companies today in the world, whether it is GE Capital or the most successful maybe Apple, were the first companies to start using IMC as the strategy for whatever they were doing. So I feel proud to be a part of a program where we can consider ourselves to be the pioneers of introducing that program in India. This year our goal is a little different. But we started as a small institute, and we wanted to have about 20 students in a year. Last year we were able to have about 29 students in all for both our programs put together. One is IMC program, another is event management program. This year our dreams are much bigger, and our goals, we are already with the support of the team of IMC, Mr. Deepak Mahendru and his team, we are able to do a few things which are again quite different from that institutes usually do. What we have done is that one, that we have started tying up with various Delhi University colleges and vocational centers. The first one that we have signed up is with the Janki Devi Vocational Center, where our program will be offered to the students of that institute, and it will be a program offered by IMCM. We will manage that program. Our faculty will teach there. Our certificate will be offered, and we will have a captive audience of about 5,000 people in each college. The next college which we are going to sign up is considered to be one of the best in Delhi. So I would like to name it till the time we sign it. But this year we are going to have 5 colleges in Delhi and NCR offering our program. So I think it is a great. I'm really thankful to in addition to all the dignitaries. I think for me, the most important people are today the students of IMC who had the confidence in us in the first go, because it was very new, it was completely different. It was in the corporate house, having classes in a place which is actually I would say overpowered by people from the corporate side, whether it was Reliaquick or MIS. So it was more of a corporate than an institute. I think that has made a great difference to whatever they are able to contribute today in the places where they are working. Another thing I would like to add is that I feel very good and I feel proud when the presidents of the companies where these people have gone call me up at maybe 9:30 or 10 when I am already in half sleep. They call me up and tell me, "Yaar, next batch se mere ko ek jana aur chahiye. Your person is doing so well that they have actually students from institutes which are considered to be among the top ones in Delhi." You know, I'll name the institutes actually because I don't mind naming this. BIMTech is one. One of the girl is working, her boss is from BIMTech with 6 years experience, and you know, I got a call saying that the boss was out on leave and the girl has outshone the boss in 3 months.
Beautiful, very good.
Very much. Similarly, one person who was a little different in terms of only the academics. She was good in academics as well as in doing whatever Reliaquick does. Okay, so again, Divya. Head of HR department at Encompass at times calls us up and tells that we never thought that an institute in the first year of its inception will be able to really make a difference in terms of creating industry ready people. So we are proud of you, and I'm really thankful to all of you who are doing proud to the institute, and I would expect you people to spread the name even further, work harder, and prove us right in your wherever you go and wherever you work. Another thing I would like to suggest all the kids who have passed out last year is please continue with your the places where you have joined for at least 2 to 3 years. After that only think of moving, because that is another differentiator I feel we need to create, that whatever is the value addition that you can make to your organization should run after you. They should say that don't go. Okay, that is what we want to understand, and for some little allurements, don't move out of the companies which have shown interest in the institute in terms of providing them the opportunity in the first go itself. Thank you very much, and I have already taken, I think, more time than whatever was specified.